In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change or delete music on Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now I'm just gonna quickly create a post and then I'm gonna attach some music here and then hit add share. As you can see, the post has just been shared and it has some music attached. Now, if we head over to our Instagram profile, we can easily find that post here. And if we tap at that post, we'll be able to hit right here at that three dots and then hit edit. That's where we can add a location to that post, we can tag someone, and we can also edit alt text and write a caption. However, unfortunately, Instagram does not give us the option to change or delete music on the Instagram post. The only way to do so is hit right here at three dots, then delete, and then delete again to delete that post from our Instagram profile. And then all we have to do is just create the post again using the same photo or video. And that's where we can select different music, and also we can share a post without any music. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.